Hello, welcome to another video from Company Interiors. My name's Nick Clark, and in today's video this is a second part in a quick playlist, a quick series that we're doing on the moss wall, the build. Today we are using Cork Bark. Now this is a fantastic looking product which I'll show on the other camera. So it comes in sheets. We offer this. There are links in the description below where you can have a look at the shop and you can look at all the products that we're using here today. And Cork Bark is a product, a natural product that we produce into panels in the workshop, which are 600 millimeters by 900 millimeters as standard panels. Now obviously we can cut these to various shapes and sizes, but to start with I'm going to show you today on how I'm going to take this pillar and we are going to just have some returns of this in the Cork Bark for an amazing finish. And I'll drop another few images here of some other ideas, some other designs where Cork Bark is installed within interior design environments to create a very natural biophilic design, bringing the outdoors in, bringing nature closer to our working spaces and our living spaces. And the Cork Bark is another one of the preserved products that we offer, along with all of the plants, along with all of the mosses. And the way that we install this is going to be exactly the same as for the moss. So what we're going to do with the panels is, the first thing is to remember with these Cork Bark panels is that you want to try and acclimatize them to the space where you're installing those. Obviously we do installations for you, so if you have a particular project and you want this designing and building, our workshops are there to produce a design and build process. So this is purely just an educational video to show you how simple it is if you want to undertake some of the projects yourself, or maybe these are residential items and you want to put these in your own space. The first thing to remember is this is a natural product. All the panels are different. So these panels have a flat cork backing. They are reasonably lightweight, and all that we are going to do is we are going to put them on the wall, clad this entire column, and I'm going to put some returns on those which are around about 150 mil. So there we are, couldn't have been simpler than that. So here are our panels, nicely put on there, fantastic looking product, natural product. The location screws that I've put in are pretty much disappeared now, but if there are any located, this is just to hold the panel to the wall so the grip fill can go off and tighten, and that's rock solid. That's not coming off there anytime soon. So there we are, we've just gone through, we've attached both of our panels, we've attached our top panel, we've cut it out through the joist just so that slots in there nicely. We're just going to apply our return sections that we've cut to the depth of the return. A fantastic looking product. Drop down into the description below to see all of that product on offer in our shop. Always subscribe to our channel and always click the notification bell. Thanks very much, and we'll see you again.